Today, I have a test for you. I have a test about which option, which choice, which thing is taller than the other. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are serious because we have an exam. Did you study last night? I hope so. We are going to take a test about which is taller. I am going to give you two options. And you need to decide, you need to say which of the two is taller than the other. Are you ready? Let's go. The first question is about two people. Two people like me and like you. Well, these people are very, very good at one thing. Basketball. We have two NBA players, professional basketball players. They make money to play basketball. I know, it's a cool job. The first player is Shaquille O'Neal, also known as Shaq, versus Yao Ming, a Chinese basketball player who also played in the NBA. Which is taller? Who is taller? Is Shaq taller? Or is Yao Ming taller? Yao Ming is taller than Shaquille O'Neal. Yao Ming measures 2.29 meters tall. Or in the United States, we would say he is 7 feet 6 inches. Wow! That is super tall for a human. Shaq is also very tall. He is. Shaq measures 2.16 meters tall. Or again, in the United States, 7 feet and 1 inch. Wow, that is incredible. He is also very tall. But Yao Ming, he is taller. The second question, we are talking about statues. Which statue is taller? Option number 1, the Statue of Liberty. Have you seen my video on the Statue of Liberty? You should watch it. Is the Statue of Liberty taller than option number 2? Christ the Redeemer, which is a very, very famous statue in Brazil. Which statue is taller? Well, the Statue of Liberty is 93 meters tall. It's extremely, extremely tall. And in the United States, we would say it is 305 feet. Christ the Redeemer is also a tall statue, but it only measures 38 meters tall, or 125 feet. So, which is taller? The Statue of Liberty is taller than the statue of Christ the Redeemer? Did you get it right? Question number 3. We are talking about animals. All the way in Africa. We are going to the continent of Africa for this question. Which animal is taller? A giraffe with a very long neck, or an African elephant? Both are tall animals, but which is taller? An elephant measures around 4 meters tall. 4 meters, or 13 feet. Very tall. Almost 2 Yao Mings. Very tall. But the giraffe is even taller. The giraffe is 5.5 meters tall, or 18 feet. That is incredibly tall. Incredibly tall. So, the giraffe is taller. Now, let's talk about monuments. Monuments. Incredible things people have built. We have, in the United States, a very famous monument in our nation's capital, the capital of the country, Washington, D.C., where the federal government, the government of the entire country, is located. That's where the president lives, where Congress is, and the Senate, even the Supreme Court. It is a very, very important city. And there is a monument dedicated in honor of our first president ever, George Washington. The Washington Monument is very tall, but is it taller than France's most famous monument? That's right, the Eiffel Tower. Which is taller? What do you think? France has the taller monument. The Eiffel Tower is very tall. It is 330 meters tall, or 1,083 feet. Wow, it's very tall. The Washington Monument is also tall, but it's only 169 meters tall, or 555 feet. So, France, this time, you win. Question number 5. We are going to talk about mountains. And volcanoes. Volcanoes erupt. They explode with lava and rocks and a lot of smoke. Volcanoes can be very dangerous. You need to be careful. In the United States, we have a state where it is made up of islands. The state of Hawaii. Hawaii has a ton of volcanoes, and one is very famous. The volcano is called Mauna Kea, and it is very, very tall. But is it taller than Mount Everest? Mount Everest, yes, that one The one where people climb and it's very difficult. Which one is taller? Well, Mount Everest is very tall. It measures 8,849 meters. Or 29,032 feet. Wow, that is incredible. But the volcano is even taller. That's right. The volcano Mauna Kea is 10,210 meters tall. What? That is incredible. It is that tall, but wait. Only if you count the volcano that's also under the water. Under the water is where the majority of the volcano is. Out of the water, the volcano only measures 4,207 meters. Most of the volcano is underwater. So this question is kind of tricky. I know. It wasn't very fair of me. But it depends on if you count if it's also correct the amount under the surface. What's taller above the surface of the ocean is Mount Everest. So, how did you do? Did you get all 5 correct? Did you get 4 correct? 3? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos to keep watching and getting more comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. All right, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.